Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Desi Chana Nu Shaak, a flavorful chickpea curry. To start, it is crucial to prepare your chickpeas properly. You will need to soak 1 cup of dried chickpeas. This initial step is vital for achieving the perfect texture and significantly reducing the overall cooking time. Soaking them overnight, or for a minimum of 8 hours, ensures they become tender and absorb flavors beautifully. Let's get started with this essential first step. Once your chickpeas are perfectly soaked, the next step is to cook them until they are tender. First, drain and rinse them well under cold water. Then, transfer them to a pressure cooker with about 3 cups of fresh water. Cook them for approximately 5 to 7 whistles, or until they are soft but not mushy. If you do not have a pressure cooker, you can boil them on the stovetop until they reach the desired consistency. This ensures they are ready for the flavorful masala. Now, let's build the aromatic foundation for our shaak, the masala. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter, releasing their fragrant oils. Next, add 1 finely chopped onion and saute it until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Finally, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. This creates a rich base. With our masala ready, it is time to bring everything together. Add 1 chopped tomato, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder to the pan. Cook this mixture until the tomatoes soften completely and the oil begins to separate from the masala. Then, gently fold in your perfectly cooked chickpeas along with about 1/2 cup of water. Let it simmer for 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Garnish with fresh coriander, and serve this delicious Desi Chana Nu Shaak hot with roti or rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.